I am training you guys. I get paid to train you, not for me to trade. And that is where we are different. My sole responsibility is to make sure you are getting what you need out of this, not what I need. That's why I can't, oh, I made millions myself. It's for you guys. All right, here we go. Rock and roll today. Now remember, Apple was down in the pre-market. We'll see if we're going to get a pop at the bell. SPY's pulling here at the open. Remember to please be careful. There goes your Apple pop. Like I said, it pulled in the pre-market, which typically means it's going to pop at the open. Doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. Apple is trying to flip from red to green right now. First 2-minute EWO on Apple. So let's see, SPY. SPY is still pulling. Watching on SPY here to there it is. Get that nice pop. There it is. Yes. Boom. I'll take it. That's $2,000. Just took that SPY to the upside. 15 contracts on that simulated account. Prop firm. SPY right here. Looking for it to break the 200 MA, and I'll long it again. Stops and position sizes, everybody. That is risk management. SPY pulling back off the 200. Waiting to see if SPY is going to break through VWAP here to the downside. If it does, I will get into shorts or puts if you were options.
Amazon, your lower day.
Thank you. Qs are flat. Qs are finding support around 528, but it looks heavy still. Just like SPY heavy. Right here. SPY cannot bounce here. I'm going to go short. Waiting. This is a bounce zone for SPY right here on VWAP. Just I'm being very mindful not to get in early, and I will go in slow if it does break.
602.15, I have that as a good line on SPY.
So far, this is heavy over here on SPY, but you must respect this area. Watching the volume. Checking the L2s. I don't really see anything specific on that right now. No major heavy hitters in there. Good volume though on SPY right now. Very heavy.
Order filled.
What do you say you need to break under 602?
No, below VWAP. I'm taking
order filled.
That's 1,000. Looks like I got a bad fill. So far I'm up 1,872 on the day. So the last two had bad fills, but that's all right.